Have you ever faced a situation where during your presentation, you knew exactly what you wanted to say, but you forgot your points in the middle of your presentation? You went blank, don't know what to say next? Well, spontaneous speaking can help you in that. Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor, best-selling author of the book I Love Public Speaking, and also creator of Rock the Stage, which is the #1 most practical public speaking course for subject matter experts. Here's an idea. Next time you forget your points in the middle of your presentation, which can happen to you anytime. Anytime it can happen for you. When that happens, what I recommend for you to do is I recommend you to use the past, present, future technique, which we're going to show you in another video, in your impromptu speaking. Because when you forget your points, oh, I forgot my point, sorry, what is my next point? Those saying makes you look like a crybaby of 5-year-old. You don't want to be that. You want to sound like a mature man. How do you do that? You speak impromptu at that time. You use the past, present, future technique at that time. You actually use the impromptu speaking formula that we teach you, the spontaneous speaking success system that we teach you here in Rock the Stage. You use that at that time. What will happen in that case is, though you don't know the point, you forgot the point, by speaking impromptu, you will cover up, because the audience did not know what you forgot anyways. So if you speak impromptu and just move forward, they don't know. They think what you said now is what you planned. That's a great trick for you. Use spontaneous speaking and prosper with it. 10x your confidence, 10x your impact, and 10x your happiness with spontaneous speaking system. My name is Bishal Sarkar, and I want you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the videos as well. Always remember that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
The moment I go to bed or the minute I wake up, there's one thing I definitely do. I silently thank God for sending you in my life, for having you as my mentor, and for having you as a person that I can look up to and be like someone one day. I still remember the days of 2014 where I was in severe depression, looking for someone or something to help me out. And if it wasn't for you, I don't think I would have come where I have come now. I always know that you will have my back. I know for the fact that no matter whoever doesn't support me, and even if I'm standing alone, I know for a fact that you will be there from a distance, guiding me through. And as today you celebrate your birthday, I am very grateful for God for sending you for me. Every time I think about you for helping me, I get very emotional. For one reason, because if it wasn't for you, I don't think I would be where I am today. Happy birthday, Bishal. And I'm sorry for crying. I wish you a very happy birthday.